of rubber. Piece of rubber. Sky. But hey, what the man? What the man? Man, why the you just coughing my damn drink?
Man, I can't help it. You know I don't feel good. I can't help that shit.
You got your own shit. But Carly, should we go into another store? You should have got your own drink. I'm thirsty.
It's the Dennis gang. Yeah, it's the Dennis gang. Who is it? It's the Dennis gang. It's Meek and LadyK, good vibes all day, big Zai, Lil Zai. It's the Dennis gang, popping off good times, conversations blow your mind, motivated, hardworking, and they stay on their grind. Letting you all know you gotta go pursue it. Don't let nobody tell you no, you can do it. Got a dream, then chase it. Don't ever be basic. Put God first, guaranteed you will make it. Believe in yourself. You gotta apply it when they're selling you them dreams, telling you not buy it. Stand for what you want. Don't let them deny you. Rise above it all and let the haters breeze by you. It's another episode. The Dennis gang, yo. It's two boss ladies.
So damn hot. I'm thirsty. Oh, you thirsty? Oh, you want some? Like crap. I'm ready for you to get home. I'm ready to go back. You want to take a bath? I ain't gonna get no bubbles. You got some, though? You already got some?
I thought we used that last time.
But I mean, they got some in the, they might have some.
Oh, it's all burning my throat.
It's burning your throat. I'm thirsty.
I should have got something out of strong.
This shit is strong as hell too.
I'll let you sit your drink though. I should have, no, I'm gonna do that later. Babe, be careful this sharp thing in the room.
Alright.
Made me a hot toddy.
So make a hot toddy.
So I should have made a hot toddy.
That's a piece of rubber.
It's a rubber. It's sharp.
A piece of rubber. Piece of rubber. That's what it's got. But hey, what the man? What?
Oh, my damn throat hurting so bad.
Man, why the you just coughing my damn drink?
Man, I can't help it. You know I don't feel good. I can't help that shit.
Man, that ain't even.
I was about to
man,
get
it's
some.
annoying as fuck. Like, what the college? Like, this fuckery.
See, I should have got it.
You got your own shit.
Man, it's too strong.
Man, I don't want. Man.
That's why I should have got me a Mountain Dew, cause Mountain Dew is not burning my throat as much as that damn Fanta.
Well, Carly, should we go into another store? You should have got your own damn drink. I'm thirsty. This shit annoying as fuck, and you know you said it's like.
Come on now, stop all that.
Carly, I'm just frustrated, like for real, bro.
Man, I'll get you something else to drink. Get you something else to drink.
I'm thirsty now. What the do now? What can you do about it now? I'm thirsty now. What
the damn store ain't far. It's right up
Carly,
there.
this annoying. You know, I don't want that shit. Fuck.
Like, why is you mad? I don't feel good. You don't supposed to be having this type of spirit. Like, come on.
Carlisha, because I'm thirsty. You should have that type of spirit of putting your sick mouth ass on my
I was about the
drink.
waterfall.
You was about, but you didn't do that shit. About, and then you coughing up on my shit, bro. Like, man.
That shit is not, I feel horrible.
I hope your ass drank something and you, ooh.
How you gonna wish something bad on me?
That ain't bad.
I told you could get.
Baby, get that shit out of my face, Carlisha. Damn. Just as well as you thirsty, I'm thirsty too.
I told you could have a Fanta then, babe.
Carlisha, you done already drunk. I don't want that shit, bro.
I'm about to get you something to drink out of here.
And you said you keep saying about. What about now? I'm thirsty now. Throat so damn dry.
Well, baby, I'm the one that's sick. I'm the patient. I am the patient.
Well, shit, that mean you thirsty. I'm the patient too. We thirsty.
Baby, I'm going to get you. What do you want to drink? You want another Mountain Dew? I can replace that same Mountain Dew.
Baby.
I thought you wouldn't mind if I just get a little bit. I want to see if that was
it's a difference from you water falling that you coughed all my shit too.
Baby.
So you ain't just coughed, you coughed and drunk.
What my cough drops? Who did just get some cough drops?
This shit so
Baby, don't be mad. I'm going to get you some. Calm down.
I'm not mad. I'm frustrated. Stop telling me.
Damn, you was that thirsty?
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
You always thirsty. Your thirsty ass. Nobody just take a cough drop. It ain't even that damn serious.
Give me a cough drop. I ain't got shit else to suck on or drink on.
You don't need to drink on nothing.
Oh.
That ain't that serious.
Like,
I'm gonna open it for you.
Oh, no, you're not gonna do
Why
that.
can't
Hell no. I'm gonna open my own shit.
I can't believe this shit. You really going out like that about a damn
Just cause
thing.
I'm thirsty as I said that part to husband. I said, babe, I'm about to give you some drink. I'm thirsty as shit.
Yeah, and that's when I told you to grab me one. But if I would have known that Fanta was strong, I would have left it right there.
That's what you wanted, sweetheart.
Babe, I know.
That's exactly what the you wanted. You say, babe, give me the Fanta. I'm on the Fanta orange. I grabbed what the wanted. I grabbed what the wanted. Evidently, you wanted what the wanted instead of you saying the Mountain Dew. You talking about a damn Fanta.
My throat hurting. I can't do this back and forth with you. I'm about to get you something to drink out of this store, okay? So just calm your ass.
My ass is calm. It's sitting in the seat clearly. I'm talking about my damn drink. Me being
Baby, here, drink it then.
Hell no.
You still putting on about a damn $1.50 drink. I could get you another drink.
Well, to be exact, it was $2.15 to be exact. So
it don't matter. Okay, it don't even matter.
It matter when you thirsty. And babe, cover your mouth. You just coughing in there, opening all these pathogens just flying. Swoon, swoon. Ooh, like fucking little sperm. They just fly. Close your damn mouth.
Man, I'm telling you, this Mountain Dew is giving me life, bro. I'm telling you, better drink some. It's hot out here for a pimp.
I'm straight, bro.
Pimp, you ain't straight. You thirsty with your thirsty looking ass. You always thirsty.
Pimp, you talking about pimp is how I felt, pimp. Yeah, I'm the thirsty one, so I don't know what the damn hell.
We at the grocery store. I'm about to get you something to drink, so stop crying. Please stop crying.
I ain't crying, man. I ain't crying. I'm annoyed. I'm aggravated as fuck. You drop my shit.
Babe, we share all the time, though. I don't get it. We share. What's yours is mine, and what's mine is mine.
Yeah, when you ain't sick, but babe, you sick. You been running a fever. You hot, cold, like bother.
Give me. Do you feel comfortable with me putting a mask on? Do we have any more masks? And that's what I meant to see if they had in the damn stove. You just be up like we going there for one thing, then come back out with 10 other things.
How did I fuck Carlisha? I went in there to get what we had wrote down on the list of goddamn in our notes on our phone. So how the fuck you up? Tell me how did I fuck up? How?
Do you want something to drink? If not, let's go ahead and get you something.
Man, I don't want that shit, man. And they got all kind of goddamn, I don't know what type of pathogens running through that damn soda.
What you trying to say about me? Give me a kiss.
Oh, no, ma'am.
This how we get kisses.
No, hell no. Baby, stop, seriously.
I should have came by my damn self. But
well, you probably should have. And you should have bought a damn can of Lysol. You doing all this damn coughing and your throat itching and...
Don't say it like that. Like something wrong with down my throat. Don't say that shit like that now.
Well, hell, clearly something is goddamn wrong with your throat down there. Like that now.
You want to see? Stop playing with me. I was just doing a little reaction on you. The camera, you being recorded. It's something like, it's not really a prank because I drunk out your thing and I coughed over it. But I just want the couple of your drink to get your reaction. I didn't do no intro or nothing. I started this bitch up before we walked out the door. I was plotting on your ass. I said, I gotta come with something. And I was like, this is the perfect time because, you know, I do feel bad. And I know this is gonna get you uproar.
Carlisha, this shit ain't funny. It wasn't a prank. What actually do you think was somebody fucking thirsty?
I know. That's the point of it because you stay thirsty. Stop being so damn thirsty.
What?
If you won't be so thirsty, we wouldn't have this problem. Right now, I wouldn't have been doing this video on your ass right now. But I'm teaching you a lesson. Every time you go to somebody's house, you gotta get something to drink, you thirsty. Every time you get in the damn store, you thirsty. We can ride by a damn restaurant, you thirsty. So the moral of the story is stop being so damn thirsty. And I just got your ass, so...
You ain't do nothing but make me more thirsty, so
I'm gonna get you something to drink. We gotta go here anyway.
You need to start doing the normal shit, babe.
It was just a reaction.
I'm gonna let you fly because I know you sick. I want to cuss your ass out because you be doing dumb ass shit at the wrong time. Now
This was actually the right time, to be honest.
No, what the right time? Because you sick?
Yeah, and it makes sense. Duh, you gotta make shit make sense. That's what's wrong with people these days. They just do shit and they'll make that shit make sense. You gotta make that shit make sense. And it makes sense because y'all, I really don't feel good, y'all. If y'all tune in to our vlog channel over there, Mika LadyK, y'all don't see your girl done gave you a little backdrop of what's going on with me. But I'm straight. I'm gonna be okay, y'all. I done prayed about it. I done talked to God on it. I just, I got me a little bit of medicine, some little cough drops and stuff. And even when we got home last night, y'all, I took a leave to kill any type of fever, anything that may be trying to, progress. But I feel okay. I just feel a little... I don't know how to explain it. Y'all comment down below. If y'all ever felt sick, you felt bad, but you just couldn't place where it hurts at. I don't know, it's just really behind my eyes, and that's it. My body just ache a little. But other than that, y'all know I was gonna come through for y'all. I gotta do what I gotta do for y'all. So if y'all enjoyed this video, I try to give y'all that energy. Y'all know LadyK be strong off the energy. I ain't even give y'all no intro, but this is y'all intro right now. Y'all seen that title, y'all seen that thumbnail. We just got your ass. We just got your ass. It was just a reaction, baby. I wouldn't do no nasty shit like that for real.
Okay, baby, we gotta go. I'm thirsty.
Well, we about to get you something to drink. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all like this video. Y'all spam them comments. I ain't even worried. You just can't come back on me hardcore when I'm feeling real bad now, okay?
Hardcore, sick,
don't play with
fever, throat hurting, eyes watery, all the above. I'm coming back. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn.
Whatever. Y'all like this video, spam them comments down below. Team freaking LadyK. Because ain't no team coming better than who?
Team me.
Team freaking LadyK. And make sure y'all definitely hit that big red subscribe button. Make sure y'all turn that button from red to gray. And make sure that bell is turned on for all so y'all don't miss when we drop any freaking lit uploads, because we lit on both platforms. And by both platforms, y'all go subscribe to our Mika LadyK. It's down below in the description box and it's coming across the screen. So y'all already know what time it is. Always keep God first in any whatever that you may do, and you're gonna definitely prosper. And I love y'all. And you know what? This is how much I appreciate my wife. I'm gonna let her end my video for me today. Go ahead, end my banger. My little lit banger. My little small lit banger.
Yeah, y'all know I'm more to keep God first and whatever, how we do it. Everything else gonna be A-okay. He know your situation. He know what you're going through. He gonna take great care of y'all primary game. Y'all put a little praying hands down for my beauty cutie. I don't know, she got a little bug, and I could tell she don't feel good, but she got me with a little a little flamer, man. And it's cool. But y'all know when I come through.
Not too much over here on my video. Not too much.
All right, you guys. So I ain't gonna do too much, but y'all know I'm coming back. We love y'all. We thank y'all so much for watching me and my beauty cutie. Humbly, y'all don't have to.
Facts.
And y'all doing that's for we forever thankful. That's a major blessing. That's dope, you guys. What you don't see over here, y'all go check out Mika and LadyK TV, and most definitely will be down in the description. It's gonna come across the screen as well. But y'all, we gonna go in this stove because I think I'm gonna get my beauty cutie something else, and I get her some stuff for the bubble bath so she can get in the tub and relax her body, mind, and heart and soul. I don't know what it is, but she gonna overcome it. We gonna get it right. Y'all know we gonna get her to bounce back. But to the next lit mother freaking flamer.
My flamer. Don't get it twisted.
I'm gonna let you guys start out. I'm coming right back behind you.
It's the
Dennis gang.
gang. And I'm out. What kind of drink you want?
No, I do.
You want another Ronda?
I do.
Alright, you coming here with me? You want me to come over?
No, I'm coming. I just say we're gonna do something so you can get in the tub.
Baby,
It's
I don't
me
know if I
and
can go
LadyK,
over
good
there.
vibes all day, big side, little side. It's the Dennis gang,
And I'm gonna push your ass down that floor. Don't fuck with it.
It's the Dennis gang. Who is it? It's the Dennis gang.